Today is Friday, November 17th, and it is our Today is Friday, November 17th, and it is our last official day in Chiang Mai. 24 hours from now, we're gonna be embarking on a multi-day journey to get to Laos. But before we can do any of that, I have a whole host of things that need to get done. Oh my god, there's an earthquake right now.
Yeah, our first earthquake.
I've never felt an earthquake. Do we need to go somewhere safe? What's the protocol? I don't even know.
I don't know, it was pretty small.
Still going.
Nothing like fell or anything.
No.
It's just like a small earthquake. Oh, it's still going, it's still going.
I was just sitting here and I felt the bed like wobbling. Oh my god.
I was air drumming and I was like stomping on the floor. And I swear, I was like, whoa. I stomped way too hard.
I shook the building. So the first thing that I'm gonna do today is make the final stop motion for the workaway that we're currently at. If you don't know what that is, then watch this video. And now I have actually, between that video and now, photographed most of these products. And there's just a couple things I haven't done. So I think that's what I need to focus on today. Maybe we can work with these trivets somehow. Like set up like a cute little dinner layout. So what I found is some trivets, coasters, and napkin rings. And it seems like this could be a basket of cloth napkins. If not, at least like something that looks like cloth napkins. So what I think I'll do is make like a whole place setting. Now I just need to pick out some dishes. Here's gonna be the first place setting, greens and reds. And then this is the second place setting, which is like reds and blues. I wasn't able to determine anything yet for the gray, white, and red. So maybe I won't do this one. Maybe I'll just do these two because they look so good. I just finished shooting both stop motions. Now at this point, they are out of my hands because Wyatt is gonna take them into the computer and add the music and sound effects.
Use code WyAndL Global Groove Life over on globalgroovelife.com if you want to grab any of their products. You get 5% off and we get a portion of the sale. Appreciate you. Back to the video. Dude, it's so hard even just watching this part back. Like, oh my gosh.
Really?
Yeah.
You okay?
Yeah.
You don't have to include it if you don't want to.
No, I'm gonna include it. I'm trying to share, you know? I feel as though like for myself to grow further, I have to be willing to become transparent. Like when everything is just illuminated, there's nowhere for darkness to hide. There's no like crevice, no corner where nothing will go unchecked. And the only way to get there is to be willing to show yourself for who you are, to be like truly you.
Yeah.
So I don't care about an algorithm anymore. I don't care about the trends. I just am going to share who I am, and this is the story of getting well and the story of traveling the world. And those two things are just going to be what it is. So that's that.
Fair enough.
So it's going in.
All right.
We're just going to see what happens. We're just going to try stuff out.
Cool. I love it. I have stuff on the way for lunch.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah. Clean clothes are folded and stacked up. I know this looks like a disaster, but it's because there's no dresser in this apartment, so we've just kept our stuff and our backpacks on the floor. But we're leaving tomorrow, so this will all be organized by later today. Swatika! Got the grab. When I got back from the night market last night, Wyatt was hungry, so we ordered takeout, but I messed up using the app, and instead of ordering what I thought was like spicy sauce on the side, I ordered maximum level spicy noodles. Neither of us could eat these, it was so spicy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the spicy noodles and I'm gonna mix them with normal, not spicy noodles and a bunch of vegetables. And hopefully it'll dilute it into like a regular person level of spice. So all these red flakes and seeds are like incredibly spicy chili peppers. Start with half?
No, just drop it all, I would suggest.
Really?
Yeah, just do it all.
Okay, here we go. I hope it balances.
Look at her top, it looks so cute. This is the one she got at the market. And look at the back, it shows her tattoo off, really cute. Little sneaky peeky. We were talking about how now she's got to come back to Thailand and fill out the rest of down here. Yeah, I'm pretty hungry. Figure I'll probably have a bigger lunch today.
Yeah, definitely still is spicy.
Too hot to handle, or?
Not for you now, for sure. For me, it's still a little too spicy, but I think I can handle it.
It looks so nice. What a good looking lunch. Wow. It's still very hot.
Right?
Oh my goodness.
Who would eat that on purpose? That's the spiciest thing I've ever eaten in my life.
You okay?
Yeah. I just need a sec and then we can go.
I could use a sec too. We've been moving pretty quick. Maybe we'll take like 15, 20 minutes.
Yeah, 15 minutes and we'll go.
Alright.
15 minutes later.
Are you ready to go to the mall?
Yeah, it's been 15 minutes.
No, it's been longer.
How long has it been?
I don't know, probably like half hour.
No, it's been longer than that.
Oh, okay. Well, are you ready to go now?
Yeah, we should go to the mall now. We've come to the mall to get some cash out. We're in a predicament going to Laos because we have to pay for the visa at the border in cash.
Yeah, I'm gonna go blue.
All right.
I'm taking out way more than we need because we're coming back to Thailand, and then this way we won't have to take out cash when we return.
Now the next thing we need to figure out is passport photos, because believe it or not, we actually need passport photos to provide the Laos government so that we could get accepted for the visas.
There's a place in here called Pop Print Thailand. And look at that, photo ID.
We have been walking around this massive mall trying to find one specific store where we can get passport photos taken so that we can take those passport photos to the Laos border with money and apply for a on-the-spot visa that we have to provide those photos to be eligible to get the visa so we can cross into Laos. We can't find the store to get the passport photos, so we're going to go into this photo booth behind me, well actually over here behind you, and we're gonna get photo booth photos and cross our fingers that the Laos government can roll with that.
This is the one we're gonna get, and then we're gonna cut the photos out. But here's the thing, there's 4 photos and there's 2 of us, so we have to be quick. So the first 2 photos is me, second 2 photos is you. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that works.
Okay, okay.
All right, let's do it.
Okay, come in, shut the curtain, shut the curtain. Okay, get ready it says. Oh,
$100 baht.
Am I ready? Am I ready? Yeah, it's like $4.
I better be ready.
What's the one that I set out there? Oh, you got this, you got this. There you go.
Oh, look at a deer in the headlights. Oh, when we get to the border, they're not gonna be that picky?
Literally word for word, someone on Reddit said you can give them any photo. Someone printed it out on printer paper and gave it to them.
Beauty. All right,
yeah.
Let's do it. This will work.
Damn.
Well, can we just roll with that? Is that good enough? Should we redo mine because mine got blurry?
I kind of feel like it might be fine.
Okay, Laos, here we come, baby.
We need ingredients for smoothies. We need t-shirts for Wyatt, and we need to photograph this angel. This is the last task for our work away.
So we just figured that the angel would look really good in front of the giant Pikachu Christmas tree. It's just starting to sink in that we're going to Laos tomorrow. What the? I'd be way more heartbroken that we're leaving Thailand if I didn't know that 1 week after arriving in Laos, we're coming back to Thailand. That's how much we've loved this country. It's the first time since we started traveling that we're repeating a country just because of how good a time we've had in it. We're nearly done at the mall. We just have to go get groceries and shop for t-shirts. Okay, so the plan is we're gonna take these 4 mangoes and turn them into these smoothie bowls where we're gonna blend them with coconut milk. We're gonna top them with bananas, honey, and granola. We're nearly done in here. We're just grabbing some granola and some extra drinking water. I don't know if we mentioned already, but you cannot drink tap water in Thailand. So we've been grabbing like tons of big plastic bottles.
Honey granola.
Oh, that was adorable. Are we gonna put honey on top of the honey granola?
I think you will for sure.
Yeah, probably.
You're such a honey bear.
I am a honey bear, it's true.
Oh, it's large. Oh, that, okay, you definitely should not get a medium then. It looks quite good. What do you think?
I like it.
Option 2? It looks really good. It looks so good on you, but it's like, don't get a white t-shirt because it gets stained, you know?
Yeah, so fast.
So fast. Choice is yours, but I think I vote cream. Get the one you like the most. Sorry, Tal.
We flipped a coin because I couldn't decide. I'm gonna get this white one. It's really cool. I'm actually kind of glad that the coin came up white because it's a North Face Thailand t-shirt.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Yeah.
so good. Okay. I mentioned in our last vlog that our anniversary is less than a week away, and our hotel in Laos is gonna have a bathtub. So we're in Lush getting a bath bomb for our romantic bath. Thank you so much. Have a good
Thank
day.
you.
You as well. Okay.
Bath bomb picked up?
Yes.
Now are we done in the mall finally?
Yeah, we're finally done. It feels like we've been in here forever.
Yeah, it does. We have returned. It's many hours later. So it's frozen mango coconut blended, dropped in the bowl, topped with bananas and honey granola, and that's gonna be the dinner tonight. All right, you guys, this is our final meal in Chiang Mai, Thailand. This apartment has been so much fun. The workaway, daily vlogs, all the adventures, new tattoos for Lindsay.
Tomorrow, on to yet another new country, Laos.
Press the playlist on screen right now to watch all of our travel vlogs from the very beginning.